Yeah guys, as I was saying, this video I'm about to show you is about how to withdraw, yeah, on PassToBo. This application is just if you want to get money online for free just by watching videos. Yeah, is how this application works. Yeah, so this tutorial I'm making for you guys is about how you can withdraw your money using PayPal, using bank transfer, using mobile money. Yeah, so first what you have to do, you have to start with your line where they have light that in details. You have to write your number, and then next they will take you to the amount. If you like the amount, just click on confirm and everything will be open and you will receive your amount. But the minimum you can withdraw is above, I think, $30. $30 plus you can withdraw, but if you have $30 you cannot withdraw. But if you have $30 plus you can withdraw. Yeah guys, so guys, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, make sure you share the comments on the comment section. You can ask. You are welcome guys. Thank you for